Weather Authority.
Hunker down because Matthew could be affecting us for quite some time. We'll get the latest on what the state's plans are at 8:45 from Governor Rick Scott.
And of course, Mayor Lenny Curry will be holding a news conference also at 10:30, in addition to at least Mayor from the beaches, Charlie Latham from Jacksonville Beach. We're still waiting to find out if the other mayors from the other beaches will be there as well, to find out what happens if there are any evacuation orders, offered for the beaches.
And Nassau County at 9 o'clock. And I know moms and dads, you're wondering, our school's going to be closed, so we should find out more in both of those news conferences. Meantime, at 7:48, we expect some new numbers in about 12 minutes.
Rich?
And they may even show up here as we continue to speak. All right, so we're going to go back a little bit and just cover some of the things that we did a little while ago. And we have, let's see here, this should pull up. There we go. Clay County, we got you on the board. So this is what I wanted to cover inside of Jacksonville and the metro area. We've got the watches now that are going to go into warnings. Our coastal winds, and you see we've already started to make the updates, 70+ mile an hour. I'm going to show you, and I had just said, about 48 minutes ago here, I'm going to show you the other wind model, and it was weaker than the one that I was showing you. The updates have come through, and they're both basically on the same page now. So coastal winds, hurricane strength, even the gusts going beyond that, folks. This is where we need to get ready. Yesterday, if you would have said, hey, do we need to board up along the beaches? I would have said, no, we're going to be okay. We got tropical storm force stuff. If you're a block in off the beach, you should be okay. Now that we've got gusts that are going to carry as high as hurricane strength, that's enough to pick things up that may be in somebody else's yard, your front yard. So now, yeah, I would say boarding up is a very good idea, especially for the wind or the windows and the breakables that face the beaches. Power outages, yes, they're likely. Try to get your stuff finished up. This says Thursday evening. I would say as early as Thursday afternoon, especially beaches. And the worst of our weather is going to come through all day Friday. I would just leave it at that. So as you look here with these numbers that we have on board, and I'll go through all of these once again, but I wanted to go back into Clay because it was off the board there just a little while ago. So the numbers that you see, these are real, these are live, and these are what are projected as wind gusts. So we do have the 8 o'clock advisory. We're down 10 more miles an hour, 115 from 125, barometric pressure 964, and moving to the north-northwest. We don't like that W here, folks. That W leads it back this way. So we've got 10 mile an hour now, 21.5 to the north if you're tracking at home, and 74.9 to the west. The rest of this is going to stay the exact same. The next full update with a new storm track here will be at 11 o'clock. But Category 4 weakening as a 3 major hurricane as it enters our waters and exits our waters, and then early Saturday back to a 2. So here's what I was talking about. This is the GFS. The last time we played these, and I know they look the same, it was the European model. So there's our nor'easter-like environment with our winds that are 20 plus 30 miles an hour. But here we get into Friday. Look at our timeline. At 6 o'clock in the evening, our conditions start to deteriorate late Thursday, and like I said, through Friday. And look at our max wind gusts now. So the other one was showing 99. That one was showing 98. Either way, folks, we've got the potential here. And this particular, this is the GFS, likes to bring that center of circulation right to the beaches. Note, now we're offshore, still in these big winds, 24 to 40 plus miles an hour, and into Brunswick as it continues to spin. You see where the winds are down? It's almost at this time here where we would go back from a 3 to a Category 2, and that's what the wind models are showing, those decreasing winds as we get into late Friday and early Saturday. After we see, during our day on Friday, some of those peak hurricane force winds. The purple color, the hurricane watch, the orangish color, the tropical storm watch. These are both going to change over to warnings. And you may say, well, why are we under the tropical storm? Because the wind load and impact will decrease greatly as it continues inland, spine of the state, and then into our northeast Florida zones right now. Tropical storm force winds are likely, and we will see these colors. We've already seen it extended here along the marine outlook for the Altamaha Sound. We'll see more of those colors beginning to propagate southeast Georgia as we speak through today. So that was a quick just a recover of what we already saw. We're going to get into more of our long-range information coming up as we get into 8 o'clock. Forecast for today, north-northeast winds, east in the morning here becoming north-northeast with 15 to 20. Put a little plus sign there. Inland areas could see the gust in excess of 20. Coastal zones could see wind gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour. 50-50 shot. This lies largely along our coastal zones with as little as a 20% chance inland, but then these numbers are going up. Thursday, building up from the south to the north, we'll see those rainfall rates and percentages increasing. And then Friday, 100%. So all of us are going to see some of that tropical wet weather. And the changes that are likely to be made here just based on the current modeled timing here for the tropics is that it sits off the coastline at 2 a.m. of southeast Georgia as a Category 2. So we may have to add some more clouds back into that mix as we're still going to be under what could be that onshore flow with more of those showers and storms. There's been a lot of changes just since the last time that we chatted here 24 hours ago. You need to keep up with these changes. You can do that with our apps and or right here on Channel 4. We'll have more coming up as we close up to 7 and get ready for 8 o'clock after the break.
Storm season is here.
This morning, the Coast Guard is warning everyone of important safety measures. First, stay off the water over the next couple of days. Of course, as Hurricane Matthew approaches, the Coast Guard's search and rescue capabilities obviously degrade as storm conditions strengthen.
That means if anything were to happen, help could take longer than usual to arrive. Evacuate as necessary. If mandatory evacuations are in place, don't waste time. Secure your belongings. If you have large boats, move them to inland marinas. Make sure to secure all loose items on the boats like life rings and life jackets. Stay clear of beaches. Even the best swimmers can fall victim to the strong waves and rip currents caused by hurricanes.
President Obama will no longer make his way to Florida this week, of course, because of the hurricane. He was initially scheduled to campaign for Hillary Clinton, but today at 11:15, he will receive a briefing about the storm at FEMA headquarters in Washington, D.C.
A reminder, we're setting up a phone bank with the American Red Cross here at Channel 4 to answer the many questions we're sure you have. It'll be open to you at 5 o'clock this afternoon, runs until 7. Volunteers will be here to answer your questions and concerns about Matthew. Give you the number to call during our evening newscasts. The 8 o'clock hour of the morning show starts right after the break.
The Weather Authority morning show starts right now with a breaking news alert.
New information from the National Hurricane Center about Hurricane Matthew. It is a Category 3 storm. Our area should start feeling its effects by tomorrow afternoon as it continues to trek on up through Cuba and the Bahamas. All Florida coastal counties under a hurricane watch right now.
This is a live look at the Bahamas, where people are bracing for impact. Hurricane warnings are in effect certainly there. Residents hunkering down. On the right, you can see what things look like now in St. Augustine. You can see the clouds have started to move in. Now, that storm has already caused severe, look at that, damage in Haiti.
It tore down trees, ruined homes. At least 3 people have died in Haiti. And still waiting to learn whether local schools will close. Duval, St. John's, and Clay County schools will announce in the next few hours whether or not classes will be canceled. UNF, JU, and Flagler College expected to do the same. The Florida School for the Deaf and Blind will remain closed through Friday. That's already been decided.
Today, city and state officials will update us on the storm and how you need to be preparing. Coming up at 9 o'clock, the governor will speak from Tallahassee. We will certainly bring that to you live on air and streaming it on our website, news4jax.com. Also at 9, Nassau County commissioners will discuss their plans. And at 10:30, the mayor, Mayor Curry, will hold a briefing after meeting with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, JEA, and other local agencies.
Jax Beach Mayor Charlie Latham is also going to be there. The big question is, will area schools be closed? And number 2, whether or not there will be voluntary or mandatory evacuations, especially along the beaches. President Obama being kept in the loop at 11:15. He gets a briefing on Matthew from FEMA officials at FEMA headquarters. And local and state leaders want to make sure that everyone is ready when this storm hits. There have also been, as we mentioned, no evacuation orders yet, although they could come during one of this morning's briefings.
The message right now, of course, be prepared. Right now, there are a few people without power, but a large outage in Riverside has been repaired. Of course, that has nothing to do with the storm. We do have a team of reporters, though, on the ground helping you stay safe as this storm approaches. We want to begin, though, with Richard Nunn in the Weather Center with more details, Rich, about that 8 a.m. advisory.
Let's go ahead and get you into the 8 a.m. numbers here. What we've seen and what we need to take away from this is the fact that it's still a Category 3 storm. Don't let the 10 miles fool you. All right, we went from 125 to 115. 111 starts that Category 3. We're on the weak side of a Category 3, but it's still a major hurricane, and it is forecast, at least here in the current model run. We'll have the update at 11 o'clock. It's expected to go Category 3, and then back to a Category 4. So that would be Thursday. This is Friday. This is Saturday. And then we get into Sunday. And let's see, Monday should pop up. There you go. So Monday, and this is a bit jumbled up here, but Monday is still out to just past, at least working with the lines here, just past the Outer Banks, but that's where it begins to make what could be the U-turn in the forecast. So take this away from the fact, yes, it's undergone a little weakening. It's down to 115 mile-an-hour winds. And even when I say it, I hear myself saying it, and I know how incorrect it is. It's still a major hurricane. So what are our probabilities here using that same timeline? Here's Friday, Category 4, right? We've strengthened back from a 3. Category 4, we're at Brevard County undergoing some weakening here. This takes it back to a 3, still a major hurricane, and then falling off all day Friday to what will be a strong, at this point, look, I mean, this is Nassau County, basically, Category 2 storm. When we're looking at the colors, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Our area here is 50 to 60, technically as much as 70% as we go into Volusia and Flagler County, with the chance of seeing what will be tropical storm force winds. This comes with its own damage. I also have, and I'm updating the other map here in just a moment, that shows that we have a chance, even though it's slight, we're still up to, it was in the 30 and 40% in our area of seeing what could be some hurricane force wind gusts, mainly along our beaches. Now, since we treat the beaches and our inland areas for Clay and Putnam County the same, this is all coastal zones. Our metro area is Duval and into Clay, and then you got our coastal zones for St. John's, Flagler, and Putnam County. But you see how it's all inside of that purple? This is where we have the hurricane watch that will become a warning. And then the orangish color here, these are tropical storm watches. These will also become warnings. They will go tropical storm most likely. That should be either late tonight or in through tomorrow's forecast. I don't want to ignore the fact that, yes, we still have some showers here along 95, and they continue to creep inland. So let's just grab a couple of these into southern St. John's. That's a little too far away from the cell itself. Let's see if we can go back. There we go. That's a better look. And Gopher Ridge, Bird, Roy, and Yelvington, we'll see some of those showers. And I want to go, that looks like it was closer to up around World Golf area, Molasses Junction, Elkin, Tecoy, and Federal Point. It looks like there's somewhere on Nocatee and over toward World Golf. Our forecast for today, cloudy with those showers and driving wind. Thursday, folks, we're getting ready. The rain continues and then begins here. The start, this is the tropical and or hurricane type wind that we're going to see late Thursday and into Friday as we get ready as it moves by as that major hurricane. The hurricane impact inside of our viewing circle. Coming up here in just about 10 minutes, what we're going to do is take you zone by zone to spell out. I got a number of emails right now, folks in Clay County and Columbia and all over the place that want to know what, and in southeast Georgia, what to expect. So we've got it broken down, and we'll cover that once every half hour. 83 degrees with the north-northeast winds at 15 to 20 miles an hour. We'll see that 50-50 shot for today, driven by what is the nor'easter type of environment. That's that 50-50 for our coastal areas, as little as 20% inland. All of our rain numbers going up, all of our wind numbers going up here Thursday, Friday, and now it looks like that's going to continue at least into early Saturday, possibly as late as midday on Saturday. Jen and Bruce, back to you.